Hello everybody, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how to install slash set 7-zip as your default opener for things. So what you want to do is go to the 7zip.org page, link in the description, and then download the one for your computer. Mine is the 32-bit x86, even though I'm a 64-bit ARM64. It's a little weird. And yes, I have to double clicking on the exe, click install, close, and then you see if you go to more options, you should see 7-zip, but for some reason I don't. So the other way you open 7-zip is that way. This way. So how to set it as your default opener is you go to open with, choose another app, and then click choose an app on your PC, then go to local disk, program files, 86, 7-zip, and then this file. Then click open, then click always on 7-zip. And now you see that it's open. And it opened the zip. And there's actually nothing in there.
What is love?